my name is Elvia, and today's activity is a rolling can. As you can see, it's our rolling can. And for this activity, what we're going to need is tape, glue, markers, ruler, scissors, a jingle bell, cardboard, colored paper, and what we usually use is a Pringle. But if you don't, I found these, you can use this. So the first thing what I'm going to do is I'm going to size my paper to my can. As you can see, I already cut it and it's to the size of my can. After that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab my cardboard and my little Pringle and trace the circles with our pen or pencil, whatever we find. And it should be like this. After that, what I did is I glued it to the colored paper that I like. And I used the green one. So what I did is I glued it, see? And what I do is I cut around it. And it should look like this. See the circle? As you can see, I put tape on it already. And it will look like this. You have to cut the tape a little bit bigger than the circle so it will hug our can. As you can see, here is one side. Okay? It's already taped on and I put enough tape so it'll hug it right here. And before that, since I already cut my paper, it's already cut out, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use my jingle bell. If you don't have a jingle bell, you can use a rock or you can use coins, whatever you want. I'm gonna stick it in there. Now I'm gonna show you is this will go on top of this and I will set the tape down all the way around it. Okay, there you go. I did it really quick. So after that then, since I already pre-cut my paper, what I'm gonna do is I'm going to put railroad tracks. As you can see, I've already did them. And what I did is I grabbed my ruler, put it on the paper and put it on the sides here with a marker. Then I grabbed it and I did like this. Put the train tracks. Okay, so as like I said before, this has already been pre-cut. And see how it's gonna go really, really nicely on our little can? Oops. Okay, there you go. All right. So then what you're gonna do is you're gonna put it all the way around. See, and you're gonna tape it here. Just a little tape just to hold it, okay? After that, what we're gonna do is we're gonna trace some railroad tracks. Make some trains. Here you go. I did this train with a pen and a pencil. I looked it up on Google for trains, and then I cut them out. Now, what you could do is either or. You could take this already down and then just glue your little trains. One is looking down, going down the track, and the other one is going up the track. See, up the track. After you do that, what you're gonna do is you're gonna grab your tape, and what you're gonna do is you're gonna put your tape all the way from here, and you're gonna wrap it around because depending on what size tape, I have this size tape. So it's gonna be a lot of tape going around and around and around. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab it, put it right about here, and I'm just gonna go around it until I do it all the way down. All the way, one after the other, one after the other, one after the other. If you have a big, thick, clear tape, that's fine, you can use it. But this will seal the little can. And this should be the end result. As you can see, our train tracks, our train going down, our train going up, our two sides, our sound maker. Now, like I said, this is our rolling can, as you can see. It stands up. Your child can hear the sound, it's different sound. He can also imitate what the choo-choo says, choo-choo. He can see the colors, count how many trains, and well, that's about it. I mean, there's a lot more. He can learn numbers, sounds, colors. So with this activity, well, we're done for today. Thank you so much.